In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn ID in just 5 minutes. Understanding your LinkedIn ID can be particularly useful for customizing your profile URL or when a third-party application requests it. Let's go through the process together, step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn by visiting their website. Simply type in linkedin.com into the address bar and hit enter. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, and if you're planning to get the most out of it, staying signed in can be beneficial. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't see it immediately, just hover around that area, and it will pop up. Enter your login credentials, your email or phone number and password. Remember, this information is vital, so make sure it's accurate. And if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it. Now that you're logged in, you'll automatically be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. This is your main hub, where you can see updates, news, and posts related to your interests and connections. From here, navigate to your profile. To do that, click on your profile picture or your name, which you should find hovering over to the top part of the page. It will provide you quick access to your profile. Next, click on View Profile to take you to your full profile page. This page is crucial as it's like your LinkedIn business card. It represents your professional presence, displaying your work experience, skills, and endorsements right at the top. Take a moment to ensure all your information here is up to date. Finally, pay attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. Your LinkedIn profile URL is unique to you, and it includes your LinkedIn ID. Look for the part of the URL that says linkedin.com/in. Right after this, you'll see a string of characters, numbers, or your customized name. This is your LinkedIn ID. It's the identifier that LinkedIn uses to distinguish your profile from any other. Remember, your LinkedIn ID can be a powerful tool when sharing your personal professional presence. For instance, you can customize this URL to make it easier to remember and share. If you wish to customize it, you can do so by clicking on the Edit Public Profile and URL button located on the right sidebar once you're in your profile view. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've found your LinkedIn ID. Using this information can help in personalizing your profile and expanding your professional network more effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy networking!